guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you captioning sites that you should check out if you want to make some money online. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I know I've been inconsistent with posting, but guys, I'm going through a lot right now, so I can only do one video a week. I will be posting some jobs on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there, because when I'm not here, I'm usually there. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, Multilingual Connections. This is a woman-owned agency that provides services on translation, voiceovers, transcription, and subtitling or captioning. They are currently looking for freelancers who are interested in captioning. Your job will be to listen to audios, type what you hear, and sync it in such a way that when the speaker speaks, the text appear on screen at the same time. They have a 3-step application process. Firstly, you need to choose the service you'll be offering. In this case, it will be subtitling or captioning. There is also a section where you need to choose your native language. I know you may not be an English speaker, neither am I, but to increase your chances of getting accepted, just choose English as your native language. You can add up to 3 languages, but make sure that your first one is English. This way you have higher chances of getting orders to work on, because most people speak English anyways and they need subtitles for their videos. And lastly, you have to upload your CV. Try to tailor it according to the job. Some of you have degrees or even experiences, but if it's not relevant, try not to dwell much on it, because these people don't care. They just want to see if you can do the job. So outline your key skills related to captioning. Maybe go as far as highlighting your listening skills. Use a short scenario to demonstrate. Depending on your skills, you can make up to $18 per hour. Number 2, Rev Captioning. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that last week I shared a cheat sheet on how to pass Rev Captioning test. And if you don't follow me there, you are missing out, because sometimes I share some hints over there that I don't share here. So make sure you do follow me, because I don't post on YouTube every single day, but I'm on my Instagram every single day. Anyways, after receiving some messages from some of you guys who applied for Rev Transcription and haven't heard back from them, I decided about 2 weeks ago to try applying for Rev Captioning. To my surprise, 1 week later, they replied and I got in. So this made me realize that not so many people are applying for Rev Captioning, but a lot of people are applying for Rev Transcription. That's why I want you to try Rev Captioning, because some people have used the cheat sheet and got in. I did save the highlights, so if you want to try, go over there and apply. And trust me, if you follow everything, it's guaranteed you will get accepted. As some of you may know, Rev pays via PayPal and you can make up to $1,500 per month. It depends on how fast you are and how hard you work. Number 3, Caption Labs. This company was created in 2005 to develop a closed captioning solution that is high quality, fast, and affordable. They are looking for caption editors. No experience is required, and they also provide training. You need to have the ability to stay motivated and organized to meet deadlines, know how to use Microsoft Office, have a high typing speed, and of course the internet. To apply for this job, you need to send your CV and your cover letter to the email I'm going to link down below. Number 4, CrowdSurf. CrowdSurf is looking for captioners with experience in entertainment, business, and education. For this job, you need to be really good with proofreading, writing skills like grammar, punctuation, and also have basic typing skills. The company pays $3.20 per minute, but also their audios are really short. The pay depends on the level of proficiency and the amount of work completed. And the good thing is they pay immediately. No interviews, no CV, resumes, and profile review usually takes about 24 hours. Firstly, you need to set up your work market account and then join CrowdSurf. So the link I'll leave down below will be for the first step, and then you're going to receive an email. There is also a section for choosing your expertise. Choose writing and translation, then follow the instructions. Pay attention to the requirements, like what mistakes you shouldn't make, and they also have a test consisting of 18 questions, but you will know immediately if you passed or not. For CrowdSurf Captioning, the pay is not that good, but it's easier to get in. Number 5, Captioning Star. Captioning Star was established in 2006. They offer open and closed captioning services. The company is looking for real-time captioners who are experienced, and you need to apply by sending your CV. There isn't much about this website, so it's not clear how much they pay per minute or per hour. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions regarding these companies, please comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.